our head teacher, Tina Abitona, beloved teachers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, officially, is the end of school year 2015 to 2016 for preschool level of Future Generation Philippine International School. It also marks the start of another chapter in our lives. Time ran so fast. Not very long ago, we were just your cute little babies who would cry for milk, scream for toys, and make a mess everywhere. When we first went to school, I'm sure you won't forget the very first day you brought us here. You wouldn't want to leave us, right? If only you could stay till the end of the day. We know. We saw you holding your tears from falling as you walked past the gate while hearing us cry. Who would want to be away from the world's cutest child in the first place? Pretty sad, no? I still remember when Dad would wake me up, whispering that I needed to be left in school so I can learn how to walk on my own, practice to speak well, and learn how to fly like the birds in the sky. I still don't know how to fly, but at least I could walk on my own and speak well now. Well, I guess he is right. So the tears turned into lovely smile into sweet laughter, then later on noise, unstoppable noise, yelling everywhere, running here and there. But it was all fun. Learning is indeed full of fun. Waking up very early in the morning is a pain. Assessments are awfully tiring. Writing, reading, adding, subtracting, and spelling words. Whew! We're not even 7, right? But singing, dancing, playing, the Palarong Pinoy, the family day, the amusing costumes, those were really cool. I was Mother Goose, remember? The activities we took part with, the cheerful and effective learnings we had from our beloved teachers, and the laughter we had with one another will forever be treasured. Learning together, growing together, we truly had a great time. Thanks to Almighty God. Thanks to you. Thanks to all of you. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for your love. More faces, more friends, more knowledge, and new challenges are what we look forward to experience from here onwards. Thank you for being with us today as we begin our new journey. We welcome you all to this year's Future Generation Philippine International School 10 Commencement Exercises.
Thank you and great job.